Well, Feeding America Southwest Virginia volunteers are still collecting food donations at the Bonsack Kroger until 7 o'clock this evening. You have time to make it out there. Hundreds of people stopped by to drop off non-perishable food items. Organizers say many were giving with tears in their eyes because this tragedy has hit so close to home.
There's been a lot of emotions here today, and people are just so glad to be able to help. And the customer support has been absolutely wonderful. We've had volunteers with us all day today, and they've been lifting cases of water all day.
So far, 2 trucks have been loaded with supplies and will be delivered to West Virginia tomorrow.